I was going to go on the corner and come back and go San Bernardino when I broke my arm. And I showed them all kinds of
My name is Jacquise.
How do you spell it?
Jacquise.
Okay, and where are we and what happened here?
We're in Redlands over kind of by the freeway on Colton and Redlands Boulevard. And I was coming down from, I guess that would be the east way, coming down right here. And I saw dirt all in the air. So I assumed somebody ran off the road or something. Once I got to the light, I was right beside their bumper. So I'm still looking for the car and never noticed that it was wrapped around the pole. Once I noticed that, I backed up, turned my lights on so that other people could see me, because this is kind of a dangerous curve right here. So I wanted people to notice that we were parked right here and something happened. And once I got out, I saw the car all wrapped around the pole, a guy laying in there, and I called 911. Once I called 911, I could hear glass breaking inside the car. So I was assuming that it was just breaking because the car was messed up. But somebody was actually climbing out the car. And once he got out, he kind of walked around the car a couple of times, and I asked him, was he okay? And he was kind of confused. And I said, was anybody with you? And he said, yeah, I had two friends. And I said, are they in the car? And he said, I don't see them. But I had already saw one of them, so I told him to look. And I said, look down there. It's somebody right there. And he saw the guy, and he looked, and he turned around, went back to the back of the car, and he kind of yelled in the car, hey, fool, get up. And when he didn't hear a response, he left. So now we're trying to figure out if I was talking to the driver or if he was actually in the back seat. Because the two people he's saying is there, they only see one. So I'm assuming they think he's the driver.
There's 3 people in the vehicle?
That's what the guy was saying. The one that got out of the car was saying that it was 2 more people in the car. But I can only see one.
And you only seen one crawl out of the car. Now, where did they crawl out? Through the front, the side,
The back window. The back window is all the way gone. So he came out of the back window. Is the way, well, I don't know if you guys could see, but the way that it's wrapped around, if he was in that driver's seat, I have no idea how he got out. The glass front window is wrapped around the pole. So whoever was in the front, he had to squeeze out of there.
And this person you seen climb out of the vehicle, which direction did he head?
He went towards this way, towards the freeway way, or through these empty buildings or closed buildings, I guess, to hide. I'm not really sure why he ran. I don't know if it was his adrenaline. He noticed that he was in an accident. I'm not sure. When he initially got out and he walked around the car, he did sit down on the sidewalk for about maybe 5 seconds. That's it. And he got up. And I think that's when he noticed his friends wasn't around. Like, nobody was by him. And that's why I asked him, who are you with? And he said, my friends. I got 2 friends. And I said, well, where are they? And he said, I don't know. I said, well, one guy is right here. Is this your friend? And he just looked at him. And then he backed up. And he went to yell in the car to tell whoever to get up. He asked them to get up, and he didn't get a response. So when he didn't get a response, he took off.
Was he injured? Visibly injured or anything?
Yes, he was wiping blood off his face. He had glass, in his cheeks, and he was spitting out glass. So it was all in his mouth and all of that, and he was just spitting it out. So I don't know if he still realized what was happening, but I guess it finally caught up to him once he noticed his friend was laying there, and he just took off after that. Jaquez Davis. My last name is Davis, Davis.
All right, thank you very much.